Hello viewers, today I am going to show how to prepare avial. For that the ingredients I have taken potato, carrot, pumpkin, green pumpkin, drumstick, raw banana, few curry leaves, cucumber, peas. This is half coconut grounded along with chili and cumin. 1 cup of curd, 6 tablespoons of coconut oil and salt as per taste. I will just show you how to prepare. It's very easy and tasty also. You can add even brinjal or elephant foot, whatever vegetables, but you don't add, please don't add lady's finger, that is okra. Other ingredient, any other vegetables you can add as per your choice. Take a small cooker, put all the vegetables one by one. Add some water. Add 1.5 glass. And whistle it for 2 whistles or 3 whistles. All the vegetables should be cooked. And afterwards I will show you what to do. I have added all the vegetables, 2 glasses of water and put the whistle. You have to wait for 2 whistles. Then afterwards I will show you what to do. Now we will remove the whistle and see whether the vegetables are cooked. It should not be too much cooked, so you can see it is cooked now. Now we are going to add the coconut, green chili and cumin what we have grounded. I have added little water to this and I am adding this into the vegetable. Now I am going to add salt, around half a tablespoon of salt. Let this boil for 2 minutes. Then I will show you what to do. After adding the coconut gravy, see, it has to boil for 5 minutes. Then you can add the curd. You can switch it off gas and add coconut oil. Not much, enough. 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. And due to the heat, everything will get. If you feel it is too watery, you can add little bit of rice flour into water and mix it with this. But sometimes some people prefer little bit thick, some people prefer this consistency. So it depends how you like. I feel this is better along with rice or chutney, togair, what we call togair. So along with that we are going to have. Do prepare this recipe at home, and if you really like it, subscribe for my channel. Thank you.